fucking honest. What up? Everybody, if you're watching this page, if you like people who are fucking super straightforward, this is for you. But if you like those, oh my God, here's how you win, this is bullshit, all that shit, I'm straightforward to the point, and that's why me and my team wins. Let's get it strictly. If you're doing affiliate marketing made easy in 2020, I'm going to express why to make it easy. Here's the way to make it easy. Do not do a lot of shit, okay? Because that's the problem, is people do not dig deep enough. 2020 is becoming specialist oriented and really understanding how deep you got to get to really help that exact customer. In affiliate marketing, a lot of times we're like, make money. Yeah, you can make fucking money. You see me right now, I'm working from my office right now, having a chill. It's actually Friday. I'm not even going out. You want to know why? Because making $1 million isn't shit. I need to make $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 million in these platforms. And to do that, I have to be super truthful and also help the people out. So in 2020, I was like, I'm going to start my own shit and truly help people out. So here, if you're getting past this 1 minute, let me stop talking about all that shit. Please subscribe to my page. But let's go to the basics. Affiliate marketing is when you sell somebody else's product. I'm showing you this product. Why? Because I love software. And the reason why I sell software and the reason why I believe software is amazing is because it can give away free trials. People can try it out. They can fall addicted to it. And then they last for a long period of time. But let's not stick it there. This platform, beyond all platforms, ClickFunnels, Kartra, all those stupid ass platforms, this by far is the best bang for its buck, 100%. And I'm going to show you why. So this is the affiliate program. And honestly, if you're doing affiliate in 2020 made simple, you literally log in here 100% free. My link is down below. You get all these advertisements already. All you have to do is literally click these and start promoting them. And they already have the lessons on what you're doing. So here's the basics. So if someone's looking for a website, you can give away a free website on here because it does. And if they start upgrading throughout the way out the system, you make money. That's why it's freaking priceless. If they wanted to become actually a person to build their business online, you send them this one. If they wanted to do something else, you send them this one. But long story short, and it also does all the follow-up. That's the powerful part. It's not just about the fact that you can send them out as affiliate. They do all the follow-up. So if you're looking to get in to make easy, you just click the link down below, sign up. It's 100% free. And you get to go down here and just start promoting these things. If people need free websites and stuff like that, start trying to help people out. YouTube is powerful, and the reason why it's powerful and the reason why I love YouTube is because it's like a net. You throw it out there, and it will last a little bit longer, and people can find it for you and eventually convert. So it depends on what time you're watching this in 2020. This is a 100% free affiliate marketing program, so that's dope for you. So just jump in and get it popping with your team. Let's go, because that's why I'm ready to go.